Good morning, y'all. So I just said how to do like a little vlog with me. Right now I'm about to jump in the shower, get myself together. My kids are already dressed, ready to go. So I got a few runs to do today, so I'm okay. We are at McDonald's. Thank you. Okay guys, so right here we were pulling off from McDonald's. This morning I just got them a sausage biscuit and that was it because we only had one errand to run and we were coming right back home. I think I was trying to find somewhere to park really quickly or getting out of the way. The way that our McDonald's is set up is kind of crazy and it's kind of on a busy street. So I was trying to get out of the way, but my daughter was asking, Mommy, did you get us a hash brown and apple juice? I was trying to explain to her, Mommy didn't get you apple juice and hash brown because y'all spill it everywhere. And sometimes the twins don't eat the hash brown, but they love to squeeze the juice box. If you go to McDonald's, they have like a physical juice box with a straw. And so, yeah, the food was actually really good this morning. It was hot, and I normally don't even like to stop at McDonald's, but mornings like this where it's early, and I'm just trying to hurry up and get there and get back home, I will stop to get us something. So right here, I'm passing the kids back their sandwiches. And yeah, after this, I think after this clip of the video, we will be back home, and that's when I was getting ready to fix them lunch. Okay guys, so I put in some lunch in the oven. We just got back home. I was trying to record when we was at McDonald's getting our food, but it was just, the video is messy. So that clip probably won't be inserted in this video. As you can hear the kids in the background, I'm getting ready to put them in their room to watch TV remote. Let's put y'all in our room. I'm getting ready to fold clothes. That's what y'all will be seeing next. I'll be folding clothes, straightening up the living room, and then next will be to come in here with the kids and help them just kind of straighten up their room, make up their bed and all that good stuff. This morning I was in a rush when we were leaving and we did not make up their bed. That is something we do every morning, and I didn't even make up me and Babe's bed. So yeah, that's what we're getting ready to do. Open up their curtains to get some light in here. And finish all of these chores that we have. Finish all of these chores that we have to do. So yeah, see y'all in the next clip. So this is the before clip of the kids' room, and the next clip should be the after. Okay. So it's May 10th. It's currently 4:17 p.m. The last time y'all saw me was early this morning when I was taking down poo hair. I had to get them birds up out of her head, baby. I had to get the birds down. It was just messy. But I ended up putting 2 twists in her head for the time being. But anyways, I will do another vlog probably tomorrow on me braiding her hair from beginning to end and make that its own little vlog or whatever. I didn't want to insert that into this vlog since it was 3 days of recording. But tonight we having like the Velveeta hamburger helper, something quick, easy. I'm gonna get the kids in the tub around 5:30, 6 o'clock. Get all of them bathed up and into bed early tonight. I have a lot of homework to catch up on between my job and school, so I need to knock out 2 assignments for school, and I need to get through like another chapter, a chapter and a half for my job. So that will maybe, I might insert like a small little segment of me doing that at the end of this vlog to wrap it up before bedtime. I probably wouldn't even really go to sleep until baby get home because I just cannot sleep without my mans, okay? I cannot sleep without my mans. See ya. So see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, so we made it to the end of the vlog. Right here, I'm just doing my homework. The kids was going back and forth playing, and then they're like, "Mommy, we're thirsty." It's always harder when Dada is not home with us for me to focus on my homework and not be distracted. But I got done. So yeah, see y'all in the next video.